Welcome back to the vlog. You know it's the boy with a pretty ass voice. Good morning, vlogger. So we actually did build a film place last night. So today I'm actually going to meet up with Soai Vlogs. Yeah man. I don't know, say like and subscribe. Razablade TV. We bring it to the girl them in 3D. So why when some man are free? Exactly. Yo, I never actually know say you're out of the water. Tracy said it takes the wrong person. I say, oh, that means you're not the out of my gate. Come on, do so sit down at to Harvard say, yo, but this is wait.
No, but they're a long time now. We come from 10 or 8, what time now?
Eh? I did ready, brother. Well, people see you seem to know good. Where my phone show up? Yeah. Oh, me just be, them going last time, just broke, so sleep. Come see, yeah, them ready with this, brother. Well, people with there go pass on hunting. Yeah. You see me, when I'm in long pants and, you know, thing. You go see me in some spaceman suit like my girlfriend just said, I say. That's just yeah, she say, come here, say, I put on my long pants. She say, yeah man, if a real beast farm, I say a real beast farm. She say, yeah, you gotta have one little spaceman suit. I nearly did it now.
I haven't been over here for like 2 or 3 weeks or so. So I pretty much goes with a quick hive inspection if they need extra space, or just getting some extra space. And then don't know this I'm gonna have to get the experience for what it is, because you have to share knowledge, you know.
Yeah.
You know, so
he's the tour guide for the day, people. Listen to the tour guide. Yo, look at me, look at myself, look at myself. I'm boasty. Look at my bee suit, people. Alright. Wait, where the finger there?
Yeah, if you eyes look for the next vlog, for the next kit, nobody has nothing to be that.
My eyes for the next kit. The suit failed me, people. I'm in the suit. We are squeeze off for this sweet vlog. I'm like the neatest youth in the suit. And I'm here with Farmer Ibi from Soai Vlogs. And we carrying the whole Razablade TV on a trip. Don't worry yourself, the fear is on me. You gotta buy your own lunch. Whoever hear the story about big boy when you want anything big. Only in Jamaica. Meet my friend B. Jesus, B not that move. B love me half. Say it a touch too. People, we are beside the bees. I am nervous as hell, people. What? Yo, this is a good feeling, bro. I don't know. Look at the bees right there, people.
So I know some of you guys that have been really appreciative to actually probably do beekeeping with me, but Razablade is here. How do you feel at the moment about, you know?
I feel like $1 million doing beekeeping right now. $1 million.
Alright, so
I'm expensive, people. I'm expensive. Come to the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why? Because that's where they're coming in.
Okay, so I should go to the side?
To the side or to the back, because that's your entrance, so you don't really want to interfere with the flight path.
Okay.
So you will have bees just running into you, understand?
Oh, so stay like in this region or over there?
That's why I have no entrance here, no entrance here. So that means you can work from behind or work to the side. You see me?
Okay.
The next thing to find out about a healthy hive, once you look at the front, you can see bees coming in like every 5 seconds or so. Coming in, coming out. You know that everything is jiggy. Alright? I'm at you.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and spray around.
I don't really want to really record much because I'm really showing for Razor's vlog. But
yeah.
I try to get as much as I can for you guys, alright?
Alright. Yeah man, they respect that. And they coming over so they see it.
So, you have water, you can just quick pour it to touch it for your mouth so. Remember, you know, this touch and be alright. So first thing I do, the cracks. Everybody knows if you're home, honey, I'm home. What is that? Is that fucking ants nest?
So I know roach this so. I try to grow in.
Yeah, bad thing. Because your ants nest, this can be all due to my fault because I put sugar and water to feed them. That might have attracted a few ants.
Oh.
You understand?
Here goes nothing, people.
And I don't know how strong they are. So we might be coming to some negativity, but you understand?
Oh my god.
However, things look good at the moment because the last time I came here, I gave them sugar feed. This was like about 5 pounds of sugar. If you look inside.
So you gave the bees sugar?
Yeah. During this period where there's no pollen or there's not enough honey around, and because they're so young, I try to give them enough to take them through. So like during the summer I don't do this because they can get their own. Matter of fact, bees are smart. Them not take honey over the good things. You get me? I say, like you did with a girl and her pum pum not good.
Yeah,
You're look for a better pum pum down.
Yeah, look for a better one.
So the same thing. They would not choose sugar over the real nectar.
Yeah.
So once they're choosing the sugar, you realize that okay, they're really starving and they need a help. And this is not the full size of a hive. A hive would be like this. Like this length will be one hive, isn't it?
Okay.
Anyway. You realize that nobody now come up to attack you.
Yeah, man, what is?
You know what I mean?
So the smoke can keep them.
Yeah, plus they, you know, it depends on what breed they come from. You understand?
So you have different breeds of bees.
Different breeds. Let me tell you about the care about Africanized bees.
Yeah. So this is not Africanized.
Yeah, Africanized means that they're more aggressive.
Oh.
Plus they wouldn't be so aggressive anyway because they're young. The hive is young. They're not strong enough anyway.
Oh, so when it's the African people aggressive.
Why? Trust me, you know when I heard it first in my head, when I said Jesus, that's what they might do it. But you know. How long this smoke will last because of what is in here.
Whoa. Are you guys seeing that? No, I'm nervous as well.
You're nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous, bro. No lie about that. You know I'm an honest dude. Oh my God.
Checking in here, let me see where they're laying. See where eggs are laid. It's a little bit light, so I know that not a lot of larvae in there.
The bee pitched on the GoPro. The bee pitched on the GoPro, people. Oh, that's just marvelous.
So you can hear that one around my head. He's getting jiggy.
Yep.
You might realize if you come closer, don't be afraid, Razor. Up here, so you realize they kind of chew at the top of it because they will use the comb. They use the comb that's on that and use it somewhere else. You understand? So they're very smart, you know. They survive so many years on their own.
Good bees, good bees. Oh my God. I don't even know which angle fit.
I'm serious about coming and just talk and reminisce about life and all of that.
Yeah, see this?
We here.
I am scared as. Alright. Can I take up the back one?
Alright, you can take up this one now. This one. So yeah, though, remember I tell you say it have glue on it, you know. It's like bee glue.
Okay, so me I try to do a pop like.
Yeah. So what you gonna try for do? Use the other side, next side.
Next side as in, yeah?
No, next side. Turn around.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, this
and kind of put it in between here so and spin it and move it like. Hold on. Put on my camera. Sorry, vlog world, I forget it.
It kind of did it, so make me feel like.
Hold on. I'll show you.
Okay.
I'm going to take this apart first. I'm going to say them are glue all along like this, so I kind of move it so.
Oh.
And kind of move
like
it so.
Separate them like.
Separate them first, yeah.
Oh, so I know just this alone.
Yeah.
Alright. These.
So take time with them. No. From the side.
Oh, from the side.
Yeah. Yeah. When I see no boy in a different light to the door.
God.
Yeah, laugh though. It's not funny.
Yo,
breakfast ready.
Breakfast ready. Follow me on Instagram for more jokes. Razablade. Alright, I feel. Whoa. We just don't want to kill the bees them. But I would get them cross.
Yeah. You never smell the pheromones them.
Oh shit. Can I smell it? Okay. Going up.
You're supposed to buy a special grabber for it to take up the
Wait, actually I take it up.
So hold one end before you drop down here. Hold that end, yeah?
Oh my God, hold on. Now hold the end where the bees are, but they actually.
Yeah, hold it right there so.
I hold it! Oh shit, me hold it?
And go to the next side.
Oh God, me hold it to right here. God, me hold it.
Hold it, yo.
Oh my God.
Yeah? And then hold.
Shit, me I take it up.
Don't make it jerk, you know. Hold it with your hand, though. Yeah, hold it with your finger. Yeah. Alright, take your time here. Take your time with them.
Oh my god. What the hell am I just doing?
Hold it up, lift it up by your face so we can get to see. You're there. Razor.
Yo, I can't believe this.
Is it me so?
Never faint.
The camera. You need some water and some sugar. We have sugar there.
John, look at
that. If you can't see, you can walk to the sunlight, but watch your box. Walk to the sunlight so you can see better.
Oh my god. I have the bees in my freaking hands. Wait. Oh!
You see inside better?
Yeah, me I see inside, brother. Oh!
My thing.
This was marvelous.
Okay, keep up on experiences and all that.
Yeah, bro.
Have to share knowledge.
Well, people, I'm going to end this vlog here, you see me? I just did want to go on a little preview of the beekeeping stuff. So I want to check out my virgin channel. Like, I really want to do this. And make sure to go over there and make, you know, say I'm saying no. Nobody go over there without the stamp pound, you see me? And you see me? And one more thing when you just teach me, say, when you just come from the hive, don't really take off your suit that quick because bees will actually follow you. Because I remember you did their own the hive and stuff. So that's the last lesson I learned for now until I watch the next beekeeping vlog from him. As a matter of fact, before you think, I not only beekeeping vlog this bro do. So him have a lot of videos. Him like attracted to the type of vlogs he put out. So no want to see vlogs?
We got like 93 vlogs.
The man have 93 vlogs. We don't read so much vlogs yet, people. So we just want to check out. Him is a part of the squad, you know. So he's easily a Razablade that you know. But anyway, I done this vlog, so check out Soai vlogs. I don't know the thing set. I'm out.